In compliance with internal policies and procedures, as well as state and federal regulations, the Office of Procurement is responsible for processing and monitoring the day-to-day purchases of goods and services, continuously identifying sourcing opportunities that would deliver the greatest benefit to the college, and supplier relationship management. A main part of these responsibilities includes serving as a connection between business operations and the Office of the General Counsel to facilitate the signature and approval process, as well as retention of all college contracts and agreements. Procurement procedures and guidelines can be accessed online at valenciacollege.edu/procurement. This resource provides guidance to the Valencia community on the different requirements and steps to be considered when purchasing on behalf of the college, as well as provides current and potential suppliers with information needed to properly conduct business with the college. Purchasing thresholds provide guidance in determining whether goods and services must be procured through an informal competitive solicitation process, a formal solicitation, or an alternative method. Procurements of less than $65,000 requiring formal competition, also known as bidding. These procurements are done by obtaining written quotes and identifying the best value for the required commodity or service. The college is encouraged to source the market and use cooperative purchasing contracts to ensure best value. Procurements of $65,000 or greater require a competitive solicitation, also known as a formal bid. The most utilized procurement methods at the college are requests for proposals, requests for qualifications, and invitations to bid. Procurements of $325,000 or greater require approval from Valencia's District Board of Trustees. As a board member, you are responsible for the approval of college purchases exceeding $325,000, also classified as Category 5 procurements according to Florida statutes. Information on these procurements is listed as agenda items for the Board of Trustees meetings through a transmittal letter, and include the type of formal solicitation conducted, the scope of the project, the dollar value of the procurement, and a brief description of the vendor to whom the college intends to award the contract to. As adopted in the Florida Administrative Code Rule for procurement requirements, certain services and commodities are exempt from competitive solicitation requirements for non-federally funded purchases. Those include instructional materials, for example, textbooks, library materials, purchases at already contracted prices by a government entity or through buying cooperatives, purchases of food, services or commodities available only from a single source, professional services, and information technology resources. A comprehensive list of all services and commodities qualifying for procurement exemptions are provided in the Florida Administrative Code. Finally, the college president or designee may waive solicitation requirements in emergencies when there is imminent threat to students, employees, or public safety, or in cases where it is necessary to prevent damage to the facilities caused by unexpected circumstances.